Good afternoon, bro. Well done. How you doing? Right now, sir. Please, I'm an interview. I'm doing one random interview, sir. If you don't mind. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. What's your name?
My name is Ifeanyi.
Ifeanyi. Okay, my name is EMZ. I want to ask you one question. Should I go ahead? Okay, sir. Who on earth do you really miss most?
My mom.
Your mom.
Yes. On earth.
Okay. Yes. Okay. What's one thing you miss about her?
Her caring most.
Her caring.
Yes, she cares for me so much. So whenever I remember her, I remember the kind of things she does for me. So that is why that is the most thing I know about her. And that is the only thing that make me to miss her so much.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. So, one word for your mom?
Well, there is not much words. Mom, whatever you are, I love you, and I so much miss everything about you. So thanks and thanks very much.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. God bless.